All right, hey everybody, it's Daddy and Naigh, and that's Daddy and I. No, it's Naigh and I. Naigh and I, Daddy and Naigh. Daddy and I, Naigh and I. And we're going to be learning Blender together as we blunder through Blender together. So let's get started. Oh, the one thing I want to check is make sure the audio is working, which it is. You can see the green line dancing there. Say hello and it'll dance.
Hello.
Oh, you're pretty loud. It got into the yellow. Say
Hello.
Oh, you got into the red. That's super loud. Okay.
Hello.
You got the totally crimson. Okay, good. So audio's working. Now, we're on your famous park, and we know that under this tree is the playground. Now, the reason it's sort of disappearing right there, and you can't see all of it, that's called clipping. So the first thing you do when you get in the Blender is you want to go to View, and you want to change the clipping. See that? Oh, it's eating me! It's eating me alive! No! There we go. So we bring the clipping down until we can up. Even when we zoom in here, see how the clipping. Oh no! See the clipping? No! 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 How about now? No! How about now? Okay, that's pretty good. All right. So the playground is underneath this tree, and you want to put doors in, right?
Yeah.
So let me save this. So there's Blender Kit, an add-on. Type in door.
How do I type in that?
D-O-O-R. There's a D there, there's two O's there, and there's an
D
R there. Uh-huh.
O.
Uh-huh. And then R. It's right above it. It's right above your finger. Just there.
R.
Yeah. All right. Now, we want to make sure that it's filtering free first because we don't want to pay anything today. All right. And now you have all these different doors that you can scroll through. Oops,
Get rid of that one.
I know I got to make the free first thing go on. It's not going on. This asset is included in
Wait, there's our mansion orbit, and it's free.
I know, but why is this? This asset's
I
included.
want the screen door.
I know, me too. But for some reason, free first isn't going on. Ah, why is that? Let me turn this off and let me turn free first on first. There we go. Now we search for door.
Where's the screen door?
Screen door? Well, there's that door.
No, I want screen door.
That says
No.
scan door.
No.
Right? Keep clicking. Okay. Like this one?
No, the screen door that we saw earlier.
Okay.
Yesterday. No.
What about, was it that one?
No. No, the cage door.
Okay. Let's see. There it is.
Yeah, there.
All right, click on it to download it.
I want to do a bunch.
Hey, don't download it more than once because we can duplicate it. We can make a copy of it.
No, I want to. No, I want to download it.
No, you don't because it takes up more memory. Once you've downloaded it, you have the data in the memory, as you'll see in a minute after it unpacks. We can close this down and watch how many doors we can put in. Just let it unpack. What's up, little baby boy? Hi. Hi.
It unpacked.
Back. Okay, so where is it? You have to find it. It says here metal door. And there's the mesh. There it is. And then you hit the period key. All right, we got the mesh. Now we want to move it
under the tree, but how do we do that?
Well, that's a good question. So if we grab it from here and we hit G, which is the one that lets you grab, you can put the metal door there or there, but it's under the world. Oh, so you have to hit G and Z to get it up the Z axis like an elevator. And let's see if we continue going GZ. Oh, there it is, flying in the air. Okay. It needs
How
to
do
be a
we
little
get
higher.
under the tree?
Well, we should put a tree in, shouldn't we?
Yeah.
All right, did you want to first make a bunch of doors?
Yeah.
Just hit Shift D and you'll make a bunch of doors. Shift and then D.
Shift
What's the matter, Goat?
D.
Yeah? Did you make one? There you go.
No, it's not.
Go. Shift. Hold the Shift key down. And then hit D. And then watch. You have a door here. And you have... Oh, where'd the other one go? You got You got a bunch of doors, but they're not all showing up. Oh, they're under the ground. That's why. You gotta select all 3 of them from here.
Okay.
You gotta bring them up.
I want more than that.
You can grab a door and you gotta keep going Shift D and you make another door and keep moving them apart. What's the matter, goat beats?
D, Shift D.
Inside the wrap. Inside the wrap. Some of the wrap. The wrap you move.
Hey, I made a lot of doors.
Wow, where are you gonna put them all?
Well, I have some of the doors that I made already out, but how do we get the rest out?
Well, let's see. You have the first door is called door 7. Oops. What's going on here? Why is this?
Why is the first door called door 7?
That's what they called it, but we can rename it.
Yeah, I wanted door 1.
Okay. We'll call it door 1. Then we gotta make this one called door 2. Oh, okay.
7002.
That's the name of that door.
I wanted door 2.
No, what you have to do is you have to double click on it until it turns like that. Then you gotta put it in and go door 2. Like that. You gotta do it again for each of them.
Door 3. Door 3.
I'm trying to teach Blender with a screaming baby.
7004. 7004. Oh, door 1. Where's door 2? Daddy, where's door 2? Where's door 2? Where's door 2?
This one is door 2. It says door 2 there. But you'd have to, if you want to keep naming them, you got to name them. And then go door 3. And then you got to name the other one. Double click on it. Go ahead and type in DOR4. Oh, what?
D.
O D O
O
O
O
R D O O R 4.
I didn't press the R yet.
That's
R
it. And then space bar
space
and 4.
and 4.
There you go. Now click off of it. Go to the other one and name this one door 5. Name it door 5. Come here, little guy.
D D O
Baby.
O.
Where's your leg? Where's your leg? There's your leg. Oh, is that more comfortable? Is that more comfortable?
Space.
Look at that.
I accidentally did door 4.
Oh, then let's back it up with a backspace and put in the 5. There, and then hit enter. There, all your doors are named. Now, if you want to move them, you select each one from this hierarchy here, and then you hit G, and then you can move the door where you want. If you want to take the next door, you got to select it from here, and then you hit G, and then you got to move it. Oh.
Door 5. Last door. Door 5.
You want to move door 5? You have to click on it so it highlights, it turns orange. There you go. That's the one. Then hit G. G's for grab.
Now.
Okay,
G.
yeah, just punch it once. That's good. punched it once. Now use the mouse and move it. And then when you find a place, use the mouse. Oh, hit G again. Hit G.
G.
See? Now you move the mouse.
Now I want to move it.
On the path.
Underground.
It's underground. It's way underground. When it's white, it's above ground. When it's gray, it's below ground.
It's flying high in the sky.
And if you use the scroll wheel, you can see. Can you? You can't do anything right now until you fix it. I'm gonna pause the recording though.
Daddy,
Okay, so Naigh made all these doors.
Daddy,
What? Yeah.
I want to make. I want to watch my video.
Here you go. Watch it on my phone. Okay, I got all these doors, and ultimately we're gonna have to bring him down to the ground. And I guess he's bored for now. It's a very it's a challenging cognitive task. So he's doing great, but it takes some time. All right. So since our 5-year-old hero is now, turn it down, buddy. Turn it down. Turn it down. He's now needing a video break from the cognitive tasks. We will switch to another scene. So I'll save his scene. And we'll resume from the other scene. Bye.